Hi everybody, welcome to Do It Yourself with Joe. In this video I want to do something a little different. I'm going to upload a trailer to future videos on turtles. Recently this spring I had a turtle lay eggs in my front yard and I've taken care of them to this point. Recently they've just hatched a few weeks ago and I've been able to get quite a bit of video. It's been really cool to watch them grow. When they were born they were the size of a nickel. So I know normally you're not supposed to mix niches on YouTube, and I guess you could say this is a how-to, but it's not a how-to, in carpentry or home repair like I have here. But I want to share it with you, and I was afraid of starting a new channel with this, feeling that it would take too long for people to start viewing it. So I'm going to place the trailer on this video, or on this channel, and possibly open or start a new YouTube channel just on turtles. So I'd like to hear your comments on that. If you have any ideas of channel names, or if you feel like you should keep it on this channel or start a new channel, I'd like to hear about it. Without further ado, here's baby turtles.